So hey, let me tell you about something that you do not want to miss at FabCon US. Yes, we love that engine sound and we know you do as well. After the success of the racing simulator at Ignite, we are bringing the experience back again, but this time to Las Vegas. Join us this April at the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference to experience real-time intelligence hands-on. We are preparing 5 racing simulators for you to show your driving skills. The fastest racer takes home an exclusive prize. But the experience doesn't stop there. We will show you how to go from capturing UDP packets to ingesting data with event streams, querying it with KQL, and creating real-time dashboards using Copilot, and much more. We know that you want to accelerate your business, so no matter where the data is located or in which format it is, with real-time intelligence, we will show you how to get ready for the era of AI. See you at FabCon US.